Hi, Tyler. I'm looking at, I think this is the question you must have gotten wrong, right? So the last part, a divided by b divided by c versus a divided by b times c. So if I think of a as 12, and I'm just picking these numbers randomly, but because they're nice, easy numbers to use. Let's say b is 4 and c is 3. So if I do, I'm going to try this first left-hand side. A divided by b, so that would be 12 divided by 4, and the parentheses there tell me to do that first, and then divide by c, so divided by 3, that would give me 3 divided by 3, which would be 1. If I try the other one, I would have 12 divided by, that's b times c, and b times c would be 4 times 3. The parentheses tell me to do that first, so 12 divided by 12, which would also be 1. So the reason that works is because algebraically what we're looking at is a divided by b divided by c. And when we divide fractions, we remember we multiply by the reciprocal. So a divided by b times 1 over c. And then as we multiply those fractions, we go straight across. That's a divided by b times c, which is what that is saying, okay? So questions like that, like I said, put in easy numbers, and you can kind of see what's happening. We can prove it algebraically, but test them on easy numbers and see if that's what you're looking for. All right, hope that helps. Bye-bye.